Well, I need to replace my air filter and water filter in my new LG refrigerator. It's interesting because the water filter has a 6-month lifespan on it. In exactly 6 months, these lights came on. And I'm just going to go ahead and do it. Whether or not they really need to be replaced, that's another story. Okay, this is what I decided on. These are not LG original parts. LG makes, of course, they make the water filters and the air filters, but they're way too expensive. So I'm just going to go with this off-brand. I got both of these. I got the water filters and the air filters in one package. I want to say it was around 30 bucks. I can go ahead and put a link below if you want to check out the same deal I got. But these filters are supposed to last for 6 months. So I've got a year's worth of filters, water filters and air filters for around $30. So on my particular refrigerator, my water filter is in the upper left-hand corner and the fresh air filter is in the back. So I'm going to push this in on both sides, bring that down. Okay, the instructions on this say installation, push and twist until tightened. And they're going clockwise. So I'm just going to do the opposite to remove it. For the fresh air filter in the back, what you're going to do is you're just going to grab the housing of it and then twist it counterclockwise and then bring it out. So here's the fresh air filter that I'm going to replace. Just took this out of the package. Now, I notice on this it says front, and same thing with the filter that I took out of the refrigerator, that says front on it too, but I don't see how you could get this wrong because it is a square. Okay, one thing I do notice though is that it's got these notches on these sides here, and there is a place for those notches to fit in, so I'm going to go ahead and put it in like that. Probably doesn't matter, it's a square anyway, so. Okay, here's the original filter that came out of the LG. It says LG on it. Here's what I bought off of Amazon. Hopefully it's a compatible part, because I'm looking at this and they do look a little different. The size is about the same, but you can see that the stem is longer in one of them than the other one. But the connection looks correct. Okay, I'm going to put the new filter in. So I'm going to press in and turn clockwise. Okay, I'm going to put the new filter in. Just snaps in place, pretty easy. After you replace your water filter, don't forget to flush out your water system for at least 5 minutes. That could be gallons of water, a couple of gallons. And the very last thing that I've got to do on my refrigerator is to reset the filter notification. So on my refrigerator, it says to hold this button down for 3 seconds. That one's done. Same thing here. All done.